myself Anjali Yadav, your EVS teacher. Today I am going to start your new chapter. The chapter name is Saying Without Speaking. The chapter name is Saying Without Speaking. So in this chapter we are going to read about, and after completing this chapter you will be able to understand and identify meanings of many facial expressions. What did I say? After completing this chapter you will be able to identify and understand the meanings of many facial expressions. Okay? And after that you will be knowing how deaf and dumb people communicate to each other. Okay? What did I say? I said after completing this chapter you will be knowing how deaf and dumb people communicate to each other. So, student, saying without speaking. The chapter name is Saying Without Speaking. So, what is the meaning of saying without speaking? In this chapter, the saying without speaking means you have to say anything or any word. You have to say anything or something without saying any single word. You have to express your feelings or your any somethings or anything without saying any single word. So students, tell me, have you ever tried to say anything or something without saying any single word? Have you ever tried? Yes. We often play a game. The game name is Dumb Charades. The game name is Dumb Charades. The game name is Dumb Charades. In this chapter, you have to play a game. The game name is Dumb Charades. In this game, you have to say anything or something without saying a single word. And next to each other, whatever and whenever we are going to play a game, the game Dumb Charades, in this game, you have to say anything or something without saying a single word. So students, let us know more about this game. Let us see.
Okay, come on man, start.
English.
Two words.
First word. Head. Skull.
Hair?
Shampoo. Arey.
Headache. No. Thinking.
Ideas.
AI.
Hat.
Cap.
Empty. Brain.
Brain curry.
Bheja fry. Hey, no cheating. Angry. Frustrated.
Defeated.
Sad.
Quitting.
Retreating.
Exit.
Let us know about sense organs. Our topic is sense organs. So first you have to know about what are sense organs. What are sense organs? The 5 external parts of our body that help us to know that what is happening around us are called sense organs. I repeat, the 5 external parts of our body that help us to know what is happening around us are called sense organs. Okay? Understood? Okay. So we all have senses. So in our body parts we have 5 sense organs. So let us see what are these. The first sense organ is eye, second is ear, third nose, fourth tongue, and last is skin. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, we have 5 sense organs, that is eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. So let us know about what are the functions of these sense organs in our body. Okay, the first is eye. Okay, our eyes give us to sense of sight. The word is sight. Okay, our eyes give us the sense of sight. The word sight means to ability to see. The ability to see means sight. We see all the things with the help of our eyes. We see all the things with the help of our eyes. Okay? When light enters our eyes, we can able to see all the objects. Okay? So we should take care of our eyes by washing our eyes with water and not rubbing it. Okay? Okay. With the help of eyes, we see with our eyes. Okay? With the help of eyes, we can able to see all the objects around us. Now the second organ is ear. Ear. Ear gives us the sense of hearing. Ear gives us the sense of hearing. Okay? We can able to hear all type of sounds, like whisper to very loud sounds. Okay? So we should also take care of our ears by not putting into it, and we can clean our ear by cotton bud with the help of our elders. Okay? So the second organ is ear. We hear with our ears. We can hear all types of sounds. Okay? Very loud sound or whisper sounds. Okay? And you should take care of our ears by not putting into it any object into it. Okay? And the third organ is nose. We breathe and smell with our nose. We can smell any things, and you also breathe and smell with our nose. Now the tongue. Our fourth organ is tongue. It helps to taste our food. Taste our food. Taste any type of taste, like sour, bitter, sweet. Okay? Sweet, bitter, and also sour. You can taste any things like any taste like bitter, sweet, and sour with the help of our tongue. And the last sense organ is skin. Skin cover up our whole body. Skin cover our whole body. So with the help of the skin, you are able to feel. You are able to feel like anything like cold, warm. Okay? You feel anything with our skin. Okay? So these are the 5 sense organs. The first sense organ is eye, the second is ear, and third is nose, fourth tongue, and last is skin. I hope you all have understood these sense organs.
Students, you will do in your rough copy. Okay, this is your assessment work. The first is, how many sense organ do we have? Name them. We have 5 sense organs, and you know the name of sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. You have to write in your EVS test copy or any rough work. Okay. Now the second question is, how many sense organ do we have? Name them. This is your first question, and second question is, sense organs are helpful in different ways. How? Mention 2 points. मतलब कि सेंस ऑर्गन्स कितने होते हैं तो जानते हैं, और उनका वर्क क्या है, आप किसी 2 सेंस ऑर्गन्स के वर्क को आप लिखोगे. ओके. नाउ ड्रॉ द सेंस ऑर्गन्स दैट यू हैव. वी हैव 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. ओके. And you have to draw these sense organs in your EVS or test copy. Okay. Now these are the match the following. Okay. You have also do this in your EVS test copy.